How to post video comment replies on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to post video comment replies on TikTok. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the TikTok app, and please note that currently video comment replies can only be posted by the original creator, meaning that you cannot post a video comment on someone else's TikTok. But video replies are an awesome way for creators to answer questions, give a more lengthy response, provide additional information, or even link to another part of a story time or other lengthy videos that needs to be split into multiple parts. So, to post a video comment reply, first, find the video that you would like to post a video comment on. Then once you're there, tap on comments. Then find and tap the comment you want to reply to. Just left of where you normally type your reply, there's a little video button, so tap on that one. Then record or upload your video as normal. The comment you're replying to will appear as a sticker overlay on the video. You can resize and move this sticker as you see fit. To have the sticker only appear on part of your video, tap it and then click on Set Duration. Then use the sliders below to select the start and end time of the part of the video where you'd like the comment sticker to appear. Finish editing your video, then tap Next. On the posting page, you'll see Reply to or Answer to, depending on whether the comment was posted as a regular comment or a question comment, along with the commenter's username. Once your video is posted, viewers can tap this part of your caption to view the comment on the original video. When you're done, go ahead and post your video comment reply. Your reply video will appear in the comment section of your original video, as well as your main TikTok page. And that's all it takes to post video comment replies on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.